I'm Mii from Mii Paintings, and today I would like to share with you how to paint beautiful water drop acrylic pour. So let's dive straight into it. And these are all the things which we'll need for our fluid art project. The most important things: the pouring medium, which is amazing. It creates beautiful cells. It's from Daler-Rowney. Then these acrylic fluid colors, which is from the same company. It's called Acrylic Introduction Set. It has got beautiful range of paints. Also silicone oil, which I will put in my mixture. And I'll be painting on Strathmore canvas panel, which is size 9 by 12 inches. These are primed, but if you'll be doing this project on a bigger canvas, I suggest you paint on cotton canvas with wooden frame. These are just thin canvases. And of course you need just some old yogurt cups, measuring cup, spoon and table cover. Firstly, I'm gonna mix my paint. I'm going to show you how I mix this beautiful blue hue shade. So I've got my cup here and I'm going to put like 20 milliliters of paint in this cup. And now I'm going to start adding my pouring medium, and it says here that we should mix 1 part System 3 fluid color to 5 parts System 3 pouring medium. So I'm gonna put 5 times 20 milliliters of my pouring medium in my paint. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mix it up very well. And now it's time to add silicone oil. So I will add 2 drops of silicone oil. 1, 2. Mix it up a little bit. And that's all prepared for my painting. My paints are mixed and I use these 4 shades: titanium white, blue hue, ultramarine and phthalo green. I put my canvas on these cups so it doesn't stick to my table, and if you'll be doing this, I recommend doing it on a canvas with wooden frame, but for my demonstration I use this thin canvas. And now it's time to start pouring my colors in another cup. I'm gonna start with white and I'm gonna use just half of this white. So half of white, lighter blue, ultramarine, phthalo green and white on the top. Like this. Now I'm gonna do a flip cup. That means I will put my canvas on cup and just flip it like this. And let's see the magic. Wow, look at these amazing cells. That's gorgeous. Just scrape off the colors. So I didn't need any torch, any heat gun. This pouring medium creates beautiful cells. Let's tilt it everywhere. Looks like waves. And now the fun part starts. I'm gonna use this small balloon to create stems in the middle, because later on I would like to teach you how to paint bubbles in your acrylic pour. So let's start in the middle. And I also prepared another canvas. I will be stamping the leftovers on another smaller canvas. So 1 in the middle. And wow, that's beautiful, beautiful pattern. Let's stamp it here. I'm also gonna get rid of these paints. So the next stamp is clear. Another one here. Oh, amazing. Perfect, that's done. So I'm gonna let this dry for about 5 days and then I'm gonna show you what to do next. When the paint is dry, I can start painting my bubbles or water drops. I'm gonna start here in the middle, and for that I'm gonna use this plastic cup and draw a circle around this. You can use different sizes if you want. And this is just a regular whiteboard marker. You can use pencil, whatever you prefer. And I'm simply gonna use black and white acrylic color for shading. I'm gonna start here on the top. Top will be black and the bottom will be white. So let's put a little bit of black on the top of my blending brush. And I'm gonna paint a line here. Then I put my brush in water, tap it on a tissue, and I try to blend it nicely. You have to work quite quickly, otherwise your color get dry and you won't be able to blend it. So that's the top part. Now the bottom part with white. It will be the same. Just put white here and then blend it nicely. And last step is painting reflection, which will be here on the top. So white. And this is the result of fluid art with water drops, and as you can see, with just a few simple steps you can create amazing pieces. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was inspirational. I wish you all loads of success with your art projects. Bye!